Oh, some Hanya. Hanya's on the front of it today.
Duck! Hey, it might have a face on it called Duck. Because that's what it is in Thomas.
It is Duck.
They've got Oliver and Duck as the Great Western. Oh, look, there's the smoke. There's the smoke!
Is she coming forwards or backwards?
Backwards!
Oh, fucking hell, backwards!
That rude old moment there.
Ah, what? Duck!
You gone quackers now?
Quacker's Duck.
Quackers
I
duck.
think he's going backwards.
Look, when she goes back the other way, she'll be facing
Rubbish!
forwards.
We don't like that. We like a face take trace.
Duck. We're disappointed in you, Duck.
What's that?
We'll speak to the Fat Controller about you in a minute. Look, she's got GW on the side of her.
Yeah, I got face, right, face.
See?
It's got to come down the track, Trace. It's got to go down, yeah.
Morning!
Look, they're taking the thing off. The GW on.
Look!